11th math student, see some more problem from miscellaneous exercise chapter 10 straight line. See question number 14. Here line AB which passes through the given 2 points A and B is divided by a given line L whose equation is x plus y is equal to 4. So let line L divides in k ratio 1. Here you have to find the ratio. Applying the formula, ratio formula, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, x coordinate and y coordinate is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So apply the ratio formula and find the value of k. So you know what is the ratio formula. Value of k is 1 by 2 means line L divides here in 1 ratio 2. So first find x and y coordinate by formula. So here you can determine x coordinate is mx2 means 5k plus nx1 1 into minus 1 that is minus 1 by m plus n is k plus 1. Y coordinate my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So 7k plus 1 upon k plus 1. Putting the value of x and y in equation of line L. Why? Because point P lies in L also. So putting this x, y in, x plus y is equal to 4. So after putting, you will get the value of k. Now see question number 15. What is question? A line you can take as L1 passing through the origin whose equation is 2x minus y is equal to 0. There is no constant term, so this line passes through the origin. Roughly you can draw the figure. And this line L1 intersect the given line L whose equation is 4x plus 7y plus 5 0. At point B you can take. So there is a point on the line L1A whose coordinate be 1 2. According to the question, here you have to find the distance AB. Clear? So for AB distance, first find the coordinate of, this is not a perpendicular distance, find the coordinate of point B. So solving equation L and L1. So solving it, L and L1, how to solve two equations you know. So after solving you will get the value of x is minus 5 by 18 and y is minus 5 by 9. So you know you have coordinate of B and coordinate of A, then by distance formula find AB distance. Okay, so after solving you will get AB distance is 23 root 5 by 18. Clear? Now question number 17. Here question is the end point of a hypotenuse are given to two end points A minus 4 1 C 1 3. Roughly you can draw the figure. So from this hypotenuse you can draw or you can construct a rectangle through A and through C. Draw parallel lines. Okay, so ABCD is a rectangle. Now you have to find the equation of arms means sides. So it is clear from the coordinate of A and C, line AB cut y-axis at 1 unit distance. So equation of AB is y is equal to 1. Side CD cut y-axis at 3 unit distance. See the coordinate of C 1 3 means here the distance of CD from the origin is 3. So equation of CD is y is equal to 3. Now line AD when you produce DA, it will intersect the x-axis and it cut x-axis negative side at 4 unit distance. It is clear from the coordinate of A minus 4 1 means when you produce DA, it will intersect the x-axis at 4 unit negative side. So equation of AD is x is equal to minus 4. And when you produce CV, then it will cut x-axis at 1 unit distance from the coordinate of C, 1, 3 coordinate. So CB will intersect at 1 unit distance. So equation of CB or BC is x is equal to 1. So in this way you can determine the equation of side of rectangle. Okay. So first what to do, construct a rectangle with the help of given hypotenuse AC. Now in question number 18, here line is, you can assume as plane mirror. So line L whose equation is x plus 3y is equal to 7. So you can assume as mirror. Now there is a point whose coordinate be 3a, 3, 8. You can take as A. So you have to find the image of point A. Point A you can take as object. So image of this point A with respect to the given line x plus 3y is equal to 7. Again listen, image of A point with respect to the given line. So A, suppose when you produce this line, its image is just behind the line or behind the mirror is A dash is image whose coordinate be x dash y dash. M is on the line and which is the midpoint of A dash. So first what to do? First you will determine coordinate of point M. So for this find the equation of AM line passing through A. Apply the formula, 1 point formula for equation of AM. Y minus y1 is equal to M into x minus x1. So y minus y1 from coordinate 3, 8, x1, y1 you can take. So y minus 8 is m into x minus 3. This is the equation of AM. Now for value of m, here AM perpendicular to the given line L. So here first find the gradient of L from the given equation, that is minus a by b. So minus a by b means coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. So minus 1 by 3. Then apply m into m1 is equal to minus 1. Why? Because line AM perpendicular to L. So product of the gradient is minus 1. So m into m1 is minus 1. Then m is equal to minus 1 by m1. So in this way you find the value of m or gradient of line AM is 3. Now putting in equation of AM, value of m. So after putting you get y minus 8 is 3 times x minus 3, or after solving you get 3x minus y is equal to 1. 3x minus y is equal to 1. This is the equation of AM. AM and the line L intersect at point M. So for coordinate of M, solving both the equation of AM and equation of line L, solving it, find the coordinate of M x, y. So you after solving you will get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Since M is midpoint of A dash, so by midpoint formula, A as x1, y1 and A dash as x2, y2, M is xy. Apply the midpoint formula, you can determine the coordinate of A dash, that is image x dash, y dash. To apply midpoint formula, you know about A, you know about coordinate of midpoint M, find A dash. Okay.